while back I tried to install the Cure onto my XJ to clean up some slop that I had in the steering. Now what had happened was I made the mistake of grinding down the grease retaining ring on the outer side that goes over the tie rod end housing. I should have probably shaved off the front. However, these were made, the black ones are made for factory steering. I do not have factory steering anymore. I have upgraded factory taper. Now I'm using what I believe is Moog tie rod ends, and the guys from Stinky Fab came up with something very similar to the Cure that I'm going to give it a try today. I'm hopeful, but I'm not sure if these are going to fit. These are designed to fit with Moog tie rod ends, which is what I have. They're a little bit bigger. This is for factory taper, or slightly bigger than a factory taper. So we're going to give it a shot. It was a very small investment, so we're going to just give it a shot and see if it fits. So here we go. Now the main difference between what the Stinky Fab guys have done and Rough Stuff has done is that the Cure is a single one very, very hard kind of, we'll call it a Durlin plastic piece that goes between the tie rod end and the drag link. So the Stinky Fab guys actually sell a kit with two of these. One goes on the drag link and the tie rod end, and then the other one goes to the passenger side part where the drag link connects to the knuckle. So it's a two-piece as opposed to a one-piece from Rough Stuff. And actually the Stinky Fab stuff is around, I believe, $7 cheaper. So I decided I was just going to give this a shot. See how this goes. Yeah, it's way too big. Ah, Jesus. I kind of thought that was going to happen. So, Stinky Fab stuff will not work. It is way too big. So as you can see, Stinky Fab stuff is not set up for these Moog ends at all. Can't blame them. This is a custom application that was put together from Rusty's using God knows what tie rod ends. I believe them to be Moog ends, but who knows? And yeah, that's not going to work. So back to the drawing board again. That's not gonna work. Wishful thinking. As you saw, the Stinky Fab stuff isn't going to work for my application. Now, I was skeptical at best. So, you know, luckily it wasn't a huge investment. I didn't really think it was going to work, to be honest, because I know that they said that this is more for their 1-ton Moog stuff. And I'm still clueless on what tie rod end actually fits the Rusty's bar. I know they sell one, but I'm trying to find a generic equivalent to it. So we'll figure that out.